Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Bhutta Vlogs 14. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch this video till end. In this video we will see about personal injury cases, and we will see that what personal injury cases does Munley law personal injury attorneys handle. It means we will see that how many types of personal injury cases, and we will see that how the lawyers handle these cases. So we should start. The personal injuries involve truck accidents. So the truck accident attorneys at Munley law personal injury attorneys have nationwide reputation as the leaders of truck accident litigation. We represent motorists, passengers, pedestrians, and truckers who suffer severe life-altering injuries in a truck or tractor-trailer crash. We are not afraid to go after the truck company, its insurance, and any third parties who may have been involved in the accident. Truck accidents can extremely complex, and they need to be handled by a team that has experience and resources available to face off with those responsible. Just check out our winning record. The Nation Law Journal recognized both Marion Munley and Dan Munley for having second highest settlement in Slovenia and 25th highest in nations in 2015 for truck accident settlement. And the other type of personal injury is car accidents. Even a minor car accident can result in severe injuries and enormous expenses for everyone involved. And with the difficulties of insurance claims process, you may not know what your rights are and what next steps are needed to get compensation for your injuries. The insurance company will do whatever it can to get you to agree to settlement that is far less than what you deserve. That's why it's important to speak with the car accident lawyer at Munley Law Personal Injury Attorneys to learn your options. When you are a driver, passenger, bicyclist, motorcyclist, or pedestrian, our car accident lawyers will take care of the insurance company as you concentrate on healing process. We help victims of ATV accidents as well. Next one is workers' compensation claims. Now we will see about the claims. If you are injured while on the job, you are legally entitled to workers' compensation. Workers' comp is meant to pay for your medical bills and lost wages following the accident. However, many employers don't understand or choose not to cooperate after a workplace accident. As a result, the insurance may deny your claim on technicality or because of a previous injury, and you will be expected to pay for your injuries. So friends, this was all the information, and for these type of videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to watch the videos, and thanks for watching this video till end.